Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, May 24th, 2021, a little after 6 a.m. To get more information on perfect storm trading, trading course book, and trading indicators, go to perfectstormtrading.com. You can go through our webpage. You can find out about us. You can get more detailed information on the book. You can read about the upcoming day trading room, which will be coming in September. We also do some astrological work with horse racing. We will have a horse racing database coming out soon, which will be available for use by the public. And you can go to our store to check out our various indicators, which are for lease. And if you have any questions, you can contact us through the webpage. In today's video, we're going to outline the trend for the week as it looks on the Astro Excel indicator. So what I've done here, you can see I've got these red trend lines drawn on top of the green and the blue trend indication lines. The green line is the bigger trend picture, the blue line is the faster trend picture. So what we kind of do is want to look for where these areas are in sync, and we merge this with what the Vedic trend indicator and the Cosmodine indicator are showing. But in this example right now, we're going to just look at the Excel tool here. So I've kind of outlined the green cycle directional, where we are low here, we go up, we come down, we're moving up into the 25th, we're down through the 26th, and we bottom out on the 27th, and then we're moving up on the 28th. That's kind of the general indication. You can see there are some flat line periods in here that I've got marked out with these rectangles. On the 25th, we kind of go flat here at 3 a.m. We're showing flat till about 12:20 p.m. You can see the blue line also is in a consolidation sideways mode. And then there are three of these such periods marked out, two of them on the 25th and then the one on the 28th. The other lines I've drawn on the blue line, I drew a red line on top of the blue line where it syncs up with the direction of the green line. So when the blue line and the green line are going in the same direction, you want to pay attention at those points, because this is where you're going to most likely get trend moves which are going to be stronger. So you can see I've got a downward line marked on the blue line here on the 24th. That's in sync with where the green line makes the high and starts to trek down. You can see here for today that green line is kind of moving sideways, and it turns down later at about 10:30, but the Vedic trend for today is a little more bullish than bearish, so we're probably going to have a little bit of an upward bias. Remember from the prior videos that when this green line indicator is between plus 10 and minus 10, it's almost in a neutral position, and that's where we are most of this week until we break down below the minus 10 line here on the 27th. Okay, now the green rectangles I've drawn on the price bar are the high and low timing windows from the Vedic chart. The first one, the narrow window here, was a white timing window, and we made a minor high, and then we traded down off of that in a little bit of a bearish period there on the Vedic. We continue the uptrend, and now we're moving into a bright green timing window, which is where we are approaching right now, and that is also coinciding with this blue line spike high. So I would expect a high somewhere in this area, setting up a potential move down, at least a tradable move inside the action of the day. We do have a bearish window on the B1 indicator from 7:20 until 11:40 this morning, so that gives us plenty of time for a down move after we make a high up in this area here. We could trade down at least till that 11:30 frame, as the green line and the blue line are both pushing down in an agreement with that particular window. So then you can see we bottom out then around 6, a little after 6 p.m. tonight, and that's the time of day we kind of call no man's land. We have another indication for a higher low window here. They can be a little erratic at that time. That's not really a good time to be involved in trades or to make projections out of. And then we hit our next important window in the AM of the 25th around 12 midnight tonight, and then that window runs to 324 where we would expect another important higher low to come in. So that's kind of where we are first part of the week. We can pick this up and we'll look at it as the week progresses. That's it for today. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow. We'll see you then.